It's your girl Sharon Izibili. So this is Vlogmas day 3. If you come and visit me on Christmas day and I give you beans, please accept it though, because rice is now expensive. This dance is a shout out to Cakes by Ife, where she talked about the dexterous rect. I don't know what it's called, but check out her channel. I'll put her name in here, and she did exercises. For those of you that have not seen the full me, like this is me. I'm a very chubby person, but I'll work on it. We are going to do weight loss journey on this channel, but for now let's eat Christmas rice and chicken first. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharon Izibili. So this is Vlogmas day 3. So let's recap. Day 1, I went to the market. I wished everyone happy new month and asked about the prices of food. Day 2, I unboxed my Christmas order from AliExpress. If you've not watched them, I'll link them down in the description so you can go back to watch them. I got a lot of things that were very affordable, and very soon I'll be filming how to order from AliExpress and how to get good products that you won't be scammed. There are some persons that will say what I ordered versus what I got, but on AliExpress there are ways you can know for products that are going to be the same as the picture that was that the seller put out there. So today being day 3, update is I followed my cousin to go get some things for her kids, Christmas clothes for her kids, and believe me, I never knew that kids clothes were that expensive, like even more than adults. Like you will see shoes, they'll tell you a shoe 8,000 naira. They'll tell you a pair of jeans for 6 years old, 12,000 naira. Like I don't understand. So we had to go look for something affordable because she didn't have any money on her, and me, I didn't have any money to be an anti-Christmas. So seriously, we left the market, we went to a shop and we got some clothes for her kids. So we didn't go to the supermarket again because their things were very much expensive. So I don't know how this Christmas is going to be. Like guys, I wanted to renovate, should I say renovate, like revamp the room so that I can, make my background better, maybe paint it to white for my YouTube background, like YouTube studio, or maybe get a backdrop. But backdrops, I checked them out on AliExpress and they were on the high side. I don't know if it's because dollar is very high now, so I believe that maybe January it will go down. Let's see how it goes. But for now, we are still going to think about maybe painting this wall to white, and then or maybe getting a lesser price than backdrop. So far, and things are expensive. We've not gotten food stuff yet for the house because rice is still expensive. I know it's still going to get high, but no money anywhere. Like even my hair, I might just use this hair for Christmas. Seriously, because I don't understand. To even buy attachments, buy wigs, like everything is like, it's as if when we just entered 1st of December, everybody just said, oh yeah, inflate, oh yeah, carry everything up. Everything started running up, like everything is going up. The only thing that is not going up yet is my subscribers count. Everything is going up, but my subscribers, they are not going up. Like it's still where it is. But guys, I still love you guys. Like those of you that have subscribed to my channel, I'm at 300 plus right now. You guys are the real MVP. I love you guys so much. If you come and visit me on Christmas day and I give you beans, please accept it though, because rice is now expensive. So I wanted to go get some clothes for myself, or maybe just sew. But now Nigeria tailor, except you want to fight, except you are ready to put the leg on the same trousers with tailors. Like right now they must be so booked. But that if you have a tailor in your place that like is very close to you and can actually run things for you, run clothes for you as fast as possible for Christmas, then you are very lucky, because I went to 2 tailors close to my house and they told me that they've had clothes since November, that right now, except I'm going to collect those clothes I'm giving her by January, and this is something I want to wear on the 25th. So maybe it's this one I'm wearing now that I will even use for Christmas. Guys, 2022 Christmas is something else. I don't know what is happening. Anyway, let's see how things goes. I'll be updating you guys how things progresses. Now there's no lights. See how I'm sweating. Christmas days in Benin City, there's like light is not always sure. Sometimes we celebrate Christmas without light, so I just pray that NEPA do better. Right now I'm using light from my window and I'm sweating. Like, guys, can you see how sweaty I look like? So hopefully things get better and hopefully we celebrate it. Like, so far we see food chop that day, even if it's not rice and chicken. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. I'll update you guys on whatever I do. I'll be taking you guys along with me. This is day 3, so day 4 to 25 is still coming, and I'm hopeful that by God's grace it will get better. All right, see you in my next video. Watch out for Vlogmas day 4. Bye.